Hello, my name is Carlin Bowie. I'm a sales representative here at XL Fluid Group, and today I would like to speak to you a little bit about precast pump stations and what to expect when receiving one. While our preference is to provide more of a modern packaged pump station system due to their streamlined installation process and user-friendly design, we still continue to provide these conventional style precast stations which remain well suited in a variety of applications. The current precast well sizes that we offer range from about 3 to 10 feet in diameter and 6 to 30 feet in depth. When receiving one of these precast stations from XL Fluid Group, customers can expect all necessary components to arrive in a timely and organized manner for field installation. Typically, these underground precast components are delivered first, which the contractor is to set on site. These include precast rings that we recommend to conceal on the exterior of each ring joint during the setting of the basin. Once the basin is assembled, you can then begin the installation of the remaining mechanical and electrical equipment. This would include the pumps, piping, valves, level controls, and the control panel. Our engineering and project management teams are committed to working directly with you to ensure every requirement and detail is accounted for, and if any questions arise during the delivery and installation phases. We look forward to providing one of these on your next project. Thank you.